I'm Kathy Collins, National Account Manager for Data Communications Division at Legrand. I'd like to talk about the Infinium HD Enclosure, Legrand's new addition to our fiber line. It is a high-density fiber enclosure, comes in a 1U, 2U, and 4U units. The 1U fiber enclosure can accommodate up to 96 fiber units. The 4U enclosure can hold up to 384. The best thing about this product is the innovative features. It was designed for the contractor, the data network professional, and the installer because it was designed to be easily installed into the rack. It can be installed by one person with a screwdriver. The mounting racks have open bottoms, so you can set the rack and then screw the rack in. Another feature of this product is better accessibility and the scalability. The slide-out drawer is easily adaptable. A one-touch to open the drawer, and then the drawer slides out. It has a split 40-60 top that can be easily removed for access from the top. It has interchangeable door fronts, which allows you to change from an M4 to M8 solution in the field, or vice versa from an M8 solution to an M4 solution. In addition, we've added LED lights in the back so that you can see clearly in the back of the rack. And then the slide-out drawer face is white, so the reflection from the light helps to the visibility as well. Another innovative feature of this product is improved fiber slack management. Rear pivot discs and swing-out arms rotate outward to help manage fiber slack. A lot of data centers do not allow cardboard to come into the data center. So another feature of the Infinium enclosure is that we've packaged it in a plastic bubble wrap bag with a handle, which allows the installer to remove the packaging outside of the data center, just carry the bag into the data center, install the unit, and the plastic bag is fully recyclable. If you'd like to learn more about the Infinium HD enclosure, you can go onto the Graybar website and search Infinium HD enclosure. You can also go on the web and search Legrand Infinium HD enclosure, and you will find videos on YouTube which will give you the full information on the product.